We have some breaking news. The American Civil Liberties Union of Texas is suing the state over a new state law that will soon make it a crime to enter Texas illegally from Mexico. Republican Governor Greg Abbott signed that legislation on Monday. This is just the latest action the governor has taken to crack down on migrants. It comes as a new record was broken Monday at the southern border. According to two Department of Homeland Security officials, more than 12,000 migrants were apprehended just yesterday. Let's bring in NBC News Homeland Security correspondent Julia Ainsley. Julia, it's already illegal under federal law to not enter, to enter the U.S. and not use a legal point of entry, right? A legal port of entry. So what does it mean to have a state law that says the same thing?
Well, what the immigration officials, both of the federal government and in the ACLU in this lawsuit, are now saying is that this is one of the most extreme anti-immigration bills in the country, because immigration has always fallen to federal officials, to DHS, CBP, and ICE, to be able to come in and enforce those laws and make it uniform. No matter where you enter in the country, if you're entering illegally, you have the same penalties. One of the repercussions, at least DHS officials could be worried about, is if all of a sudden migrants stop going into Texas and start flooding into other border states like Arizona or California, and it would be harder for them to handle that surge. The other thing is just purely in Texas alone. The ACLU is worried about profiling, because this would allow state and local police to be able to go out and arrest anyone who they suspect might have entered the country illegally between those ports of entry, and it would allow them to put them in jails, and it would allow judges who have no immigration training to be able to order deportations. That is really unfathomable for anyone who's ever looked at the way the immigration system works, because immigration courts are completely separate from other courts, and the judges here wouldn't have that training at all to know who has the right to stay in the United States or not.
Yeah, it's complicated. Julia, I want to show a chart to our viewers. It shows the total number of southern border crossings, both legal and illegal, in the last 4 fiscal years. You can see the trend there. The numbers are way up. You were in Arizona on the U.S.-Mexico border, I know, last week. Some great reporting from there. From what you heard from migrants, Julia, does it appear this Texas law could deter migrants from coming or trying to come in?
You know, it could deter them from going into Texas, but whether or not it would deter them from coming at all seems unlikely. Some of the harrowing stories you hear down there, Kate, of people who have been tortured, kidnapped, everything has been taken from them. They've lost loved ones along the journey. If that's not enough to deter them from coming, it's hard to imagine that a new state law would be enough to deter people who are trying to escape some of these incredibly desperate situations.
Julia Ainsley for us. Julia, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app, or follow us on social media.